Galactic Free Press Daily Update 4/21/12, bringing humanity home, energy and event update. There are no seatbelts. Greetings, love beings. We come with a short update as a lot of energy is on the move. We have entered some very accelerated energies in this new moon, as we have shared would occur. We would say buckle your seatbelts, but there aren't any. This accelerated energy is pouring down from the skies into every man, woman, and child on this planet. No one and nothing can stop this from unfolding. All is on schedule and all has been divinely decreed. Love is the law on this planet. Feel this and be free. As your Earth allies, we are here in support of humanity's return to full consciousness. We are here with arms wide open, with complete unconditional love. We are not here to teach you. We are here to help you remember you are love equal us. We are your true family, and we have brought with us everyone from around creation. Soon, with so much happening and going on, you're going to completely forget about any 3D. It will be boring compared to the exciting events unfolding. These incoming energies that are flowing is one of the highest God consciousness. This today was released as per divine plan, which is right on schedule and has been decreed to this planet. Nothing can halt or stop all of these divine decrees from manifesting. In truth, they already have. Humanity is just now catching up. Love is here and is becoming self-evident. We are here to keep it all real. More to come. Thank you for spreading the message to others and keeping your hearts open and staying tuned in. And transmission and all love is unconditionally. We are so in love with humanity. Love the Galactic Free Press staff, humanity's Earth allies, and First Contact Ground Crew team.